Guangzhou Shuangma Steel Template Company Limited, established in 2008. Its head company name was Zhengcheng Jingong Company, which was founded as a shipyard project company in 1986. Now Shuangma takes its place and become the head company, which integrates manufacturing with sales and shipyard projects. Shuangma has a wide range of products, such as ring lock, quick stage, cross lock, cup lock, frame and shoring prop. With advanced equipment and experienced R&D teams, the products have passed SGS tests, and they are approved by EN 12810 European norms as well. The products rapidly gain very good reputations from the customer from Southeast Asia, Europe, America, South America, Middle East and Africa. The company now covers an area of more than 28,000 square meters. The second construction scope is expanding now as sales expanding and production need. By that time, total area will be 50,000 square meters. Since its establishment, Guangzhou Shuangma had set up strong partnership with shipyards all over the south of China, such as Guangzhou Dockyards Company Limited, Guangzhou Huangpu Shipyards Company Limited, Guangzhou Shipyard International Company Limited, Guangzhou Wenchong Shipyard Company Limited, Shenzhen Youlian Dockyards Company Limited, and Xiamen Shipbuilding Industry Company Limited. To meet the customers' various demands, Shuangma is willing to produce all kinds of OEM scaffolding or steel template products. The pursuit of Shuangma is always to create value for all the customers.